Hi everybody, I'm doing a quick 10 by 20. I have unbleached titanium already down. I have some DecoArt gold. I haven't decided if I'm going to use this one yet. And I have a fun new color. This is the Treasure Gold by FolkArt. It is antique copper. It is a beautiful color. I'm feeling it's going to really look more purple than anything else. I've been dying to use this color. It's just, oh, it's absolutely beautiful. And then this is a color that I made up. So it is bronze with Payne's gray. And it's kind of got this really cool shimmer to it. I don't know if it's going to end up looking like mud, but I just wanted to play around and make up my own colors today. And then I have just some white by DecoArt Satin Enamels. So I'm just going to throw some paint down and see what happens. So wish me luck. Hopefully this one isn't too much of a mess. So my paint is too thick and I can already tell that, so I'm going to fix that right now. I am so happy that I went out of my comfort zone with the colors of this. It is really cool. We'll see how much it changes as it dries, but I really wasn't sure. I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, but I really wasn't sure what was going to happen because I don't usually use those colors together, but so far I really like it. It's really cool. I love this cloudy effect over here. I'm gonna let it keep recording and we'll see what it turns into. I really like this new, what is it called? Antique Copper. I love this color. It's really, really cool. So we'll see what happens. I can already see it's changing right here, which is so awesome. So, all right, I'm gonna let it keep recording. We'll see what it looks like. I am beyond thrilled with how this came out. This is just so awesome. This color, Antique Copper by FolkArt, the Treasure Gold series, this shimmer that it has and the different color shift is just amazing. If you look at this, in some light, it literally looks copper. It doesn't look purple. And then in some areas, it looks purple, shimmery purple. And right here where it thinned out with the other paint, it's purple. I just love it. I've said purple like 500 times, but you get it. I'm thrilled with how this came out. I hope you guys can see the colors that I can see in person here. It's just so cool. I am definitely going to do some more colors with this because it's fall. And it's definitely a good fall color. I am not a fall person, but I'm trying my best to embrace it this year and just go with it. I am definitely a summer person, so I gravitate more toward blues. But I'm going to embrace the fall, and I'm going to adapt to the coppers and all the pretty autumn colors. So stay tuned because I will be doing more in these colors for sure. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe because I have many more coming out. And see you in the next video.